Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. A very exciting video on ticker symbol PPSI, which is for Pioneer Power Solutions. If you see today, it was up by 27%, but more interestingly, it was up by 38% after hour. If you sum these two, it is up by almost 65% in one particular day. I'm recording this video around 9 p.m. Eastern time, so in the pre-market we will see how far we can go, but I'm very excited. And while I'm talking about a stock which is a low float and a very good runner, and if you're subscribed to my channel, most probably you have watched my last night video which was on PTPI. I made the video, the price was around 2.09, and today the price went all the way to 5.2. On a stock for $2, if it goes to 5.3, it's a $3 gain for a $2 stock. So we had a long list for day trade today. Some of them did really good, like the one PTPI, the one I'm saying, this is the one, right? So it had a massive play from $2 all the way to 5.2. We also have PPSI, I'm going to talk about it now. Then we had ISPC, which went to 29. Even after a share offering, it came to 13, then it went all the way to 29, and many more, GGPI as well. So anyway, if you like this kind of alert with support, resistance, and many different things, please join my Patreon to get access to my Discord. You just have to pay $9 per month, and you will get access to my Discord for getting my pre-market, during market hour, and after hour alert on different ticker symbol with charts so that you can make your own trade. So anyway, let's go back to PPSI. So this is the daily chart. I will come back here definitely, but I just want to show you something exciting, right? So if you go to market chameleon and if you look for after hour move, look at the volume column sorted from the highest to lowest. Number 2 is PPSI with the 8.2 million volume. Yes, we have number 1 CPIX, that is another one, but PPSI is 8.2 million. So very exciting. And why volume is important? If you see last time when it had more than 300 million, the price went to $10. Then the volume died, you see less smaller bar, yellow bar, the price came down, and today it went up again. But look at the volume today, only 24 million volume, right? So on that 24 million, if it can go up to that much, think about it. If the volume is 100 million or 200 or even 300 million, how far it can go, considering it has a very high short interest. Let me show you. So volume is not the important thing, but if you go to Fintel, I want to show you the short interest is 40%, dark put short ratio is 60%. Currently there is no short share is available. So very exciting, because there is no short share is available. At the same time, the short interest is very high. And also so that is Fintel, and if you look at Fintel, the short shares float is only 3.79 million. So it has a tiny float. So if the float is only, like, let's say 4 million, and the number of shares traded around 50 million or 100 million, then you are trading more than 25 times shares, right? So there is a very high possibility, if there is more volume tomorrow, at the same time the price is going higher, 43% short interest, the short will be they have to cover it, right? So the short squeeze is imminent. So that's the very important thing. So anyway, now I want to go back to the chart. And also I was following Fintel. I was just looking at some posts, and I think something like people were comparing this is one post they were comparing with PTPI, which was a runner today. So the 3 million volume only today, and PTPI has 176 million. That is why I'm saying we need volume tomorrow and we will see the fun. At the same time, the short interest is 43%, market cap is 57 million, and other things. And also this company is growing 40% year-to-year growth, and they already directed the share. They have a lot of money and many different things. Anyway, so let's go back to the chart. So on the chart you can see it was around 3.3, then a massive pop, it went all the way to 12.4. Many people thought it might go to the moon, but it didn't happen. Came down, moved sideways around 8.2, $7 area. Then the market was terrible, we know, it came down. But looking at the daily chart, last 3 days you see green candle, meaning that it has been holding the floor, which is around 5.4. and why 5.4? You see, it was the previous resistance, now it became a new support, and today it started the day from 5.6, ended the day at 8.19. Even more interestingly, after hour is even better. So anyway, so I'm gonna turn on let's look at the after hour. So why after hour is more important? See what is happening. You see the light blue. So the day we ended around 7.9, but after hour it went all the way to 11.7, came down, but it is resting over 10.1 area. Very exciting. Few lines you need to note. 7.2 was a support, so it was also acting like a support today. The next support we are looking at 9.2. Why? Because it was a resistance and it bounced off that 9.2. The next support I see around 10.2, and again why? It was the previous resistance, now it is a new support. Also, if we go up 11.5, 11.6, this is the area. Last time it got rejected, and also after our today it got rejected. And also the all-time high is 12.3. So what can happen? So pre-market, if it can open over 11.5 or even $12, this thing can run really a lot. Don't forget, it has a very high short interest, it is a low float, and also if it has more volume today, it can run. Look at ISPC from $13 all the way to $29, PTPI from $2 all the way to $5.19. So that is why I'm just looking at it. Do not forget LGVN from $3 to $45. So if you're waiting for a pullback, then wait for this to come back around 10.2, or maybe it might come back all the way to 9.3. I do not know, but I bought some shares because I'm expecting pre-market it will open higher. In case it comes down, I will just add more just for making my average down. But I'm very excited. Lots of people talking about this on Reddit and social media. As long it can bring more volume tomorrow, this thing will run. And I also plan to make this kind of video after hours so that next morning they can fly. Yesterday was PTPI, today I'm making on PPSI. You see all the P, they are running really nice. Anyway, so if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. At the same time, I have a Patreon. You can join my community just paying by $9 per month, which is 30 cents per day, nothing. Also, I have a VIP. You have to pay 25 per month. You can ask about many different stock and I will respond to you, and you will get my alert with different ticker symbol, with chart, support, resistance, so that we can all make some money. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and